everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received in 2026. The first thing that you must ensure is that you're entering the correct country code and your phone number. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to your messages on your device. Once you're here, tap on your profile and then tap on spam and blocked. Make sure that your messages with your verification code did not end up here. You must also check your Gmail. If you have linked your Gmail to your WhatsApp account, you can tap on the three lines at the top left of your screen and then check your spam mail from here as well. If your WhatsApp code is not landing in both of these and your WhatsApp code is entered correctly, what you can do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, tap on apps, tap on WhatsApp, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of WhatsApp and try again. If this method too does not work, then you may have tried too many times and WhatsApp may not be able to send you the code. In that case, you'll have to wait for 24 to 48 hours before trying again and WhatsApp may be able to send you a code. You can also use the call option instead of the message option as a last resort. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.